Okay, so the start point of this ridge walk is on the A470, North Wales, just before you get to Bwlch and the Crossfoxes Inn, which is about here. You'll notice when you drive it from mid Wales that you come up through this really steep pass, and there's a mountain pass here on the road, and the route we're taking is up this ridge here, across the ridge, and then down and then up again to Waun O'er, I think it's pronounced. So the views from here are absolutely spectacular. The ridge walk, and also this way, this one we've done before as part of a previous video, but this ridge here, it's all absolutely spectacular. The access is great because it's quite nice that you get instant views within 10 minutes up on here, and it's not an enormous climb because you're already starting quite high up. Obviously if you're coming down and up and then down and up again, then it adds to the ascent. So it should be quite a decent ascent over the whole day. It's not a particularly mega long walk. What I didn't realise that on this walk I ventured inadvertently onto the Mach loop, which is the North Wales Mach loop that the fighter jets go through, and this site here is one of the sort of key spotting sites. So we got some really cool aircraft footage, I think, of some F-15s that were flying through, so that's quite fun, and I hope to return again to the Mach loop actually, because it was a really cool experience. Now I know why the car park was so full. USAF F-15s, I think they were. Bloody hell, that was noisy. Well, I've never seen a plane so close. Incredible. Well, that was a explosive, spectacular start to the video. I didn't expect that. I've never seen that little car park down there so busy. It's the one on the A470 through the mountain pass, and obviously their fighter jets are doing like a Mach loop, I think, around here. You've got quite a few crowds of plane spotters, so yeah, cool. That was awesome. Like, they flew so low, the noise of the thing is incredible. So we're on the way up. It's a nice walk, this, because this is a ridge walk. It's not necessarily a summit walk, although we do take in summits of Waun O'er, I think it's pronounced, and there's another one on the way, which have a look at the map. But it's nice because it's not a mega climb. It's about 300-metre climb because we're already parked quite high up. Views are cracking already. Nice sort of rocky landscape, and I think the paths are indistinct. But at the moment this one's pretty good. Cloud there over the Rhinog, and we'll get some better images up the top, and hopefully some more footage of the fighter jets as well. Cool, see you in a bit. Here comes another one. Whoa! That's so cool. This is a lovely hill walk so far. It's not difficult, but it's rough. The terrain is rough, quite rocky. These are the views I love from southern Snowdonia. The views of the Rhinog, Bwlch A470 there, Earnings, and then over that ridge goes towards Glasgwm. It's a mixture of sort of grassy and rocky. It's really nice. Apart from the fighter jets, very quiet. But I'm quite happy for the solitude of the fells, the hills, to be broken by those, because they're pretty cool. I think the jets are actually F-18 Hornets, looking at the shape of them. Not an expert. Don't think they're actually F-15s, but I'll Google it when I get back and see what they are. Yeah, cool. Right, we'll crack on and get up onto the ridge. Amazing views. Beautiful. See Glasgwm in the distance now. And the Barmouth estuary out to sea. Very steep actually, but we're gaining height quickly. It's very good views. Wow, what a view of the valley. It's incredible. And this one here is called Mice Glaze. I did that one before from the valley floor. It's bloody steep. I remember being knackered during that one. I can see why. But it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And the Cribbin Vower is the first one we're going up to. And that's part of the Cribbin Vower Ridge. And this is the Waun O'er Ridge. Yeah, so yeah, very, very scenic. And we're just heading up to Cribbin Vower. We'll get the next section up there. Views of Cadair Idris now, which the summit is just in front of us but covered in cloud. So it looks like the cloud level's at about 800 metres. So we should be free of it today. It's starting to rain a bit now though, so a bit of a mixed bag again, the weather. It could be a lot worse, certainly at the minute. Right, crack on. So, we're at the summit of Cribbin Vower. The weather's turned a bit, it's pretty horrible. Drizzly and windy. Some low cloud coming in as well now. I think we've got this kind of band of rain coming in, which hopefully is going to clear. Views here up onto the ridge. And that's the Waun O'er Ridge that goes to Mice Glaze. And that's a big walk, that one. Some people doing that ridge over 2 days. So the objective was this one, Waun O'er. It looks like it's quite a big climb actually, but yeah, I'm going to have a look, get down and assess the climb and also the weather conditions. Horrible. See you in a sec. Incredibly steep, that bit. And yeah, unfortunately it dropped a lot more than I thought looking at the map. Got a big climb to do on the way back. Oh. Yeah, it's just tough, this bit. Very tough. Lovely purple heather. We're almost there. There he is. Trig. Those are. I think the view's gonna be amazing. Weather's settled anyway. Wow, there you go. Impressive trig. God, that bit was steep. from Waun O'er. I think it's pronounced, probably completely wrong. The Rhinoc. We're just sitting just under the cloud level. Cadair Idris. And into the valleys. It's beautiful. Really lovely view. It's a beautiful summit. Incredible views. Just on our way back. There's a good video showing the steepness of this. This is a little scramble, this bit. But it's, yeah, but this bit is really steep. But nice conditions now at least. So we're gonna unfortunately have to climb all the way back up where we came, but there you go. See you in a bit. View's cleared a lot now. Views over towards Barmouth, and you can see Cadair Idris summit now. Penny Cadair, beautiful. And Waun O'er, where we just come from, absolutely beautiful. Lovely conditions now. Lovely views in this weather on the way down. Stunning. Beautiful. Okay, so that's where we've come from. Back at the road. Amazing view of the whole of the Rhinoc area of Snowdonia. Back at the mountain road. From the looks of it, the walk the other side looks really spectacular as well. And I think that would be a really good one to do. But really enjoyed that today. The last sort of pull up onto Waun O'er was quite challenging. Just, I think, generally tired as the third walk this week. But really amazing views into the valleys and to across the whole of southern Snowdonia. It was absolutely amazing. Right, see you next time.